Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica. Today I'm going to be sharing some gift ideas for that man in your life. So if you want to see those ideas, then just keep on watching.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Okay, so the first idea that I have for a man is a Yeti type thermos cup. So this is one that my husband has. This is not a Yeti, so this is a Magellan, I think is how you say the brand, Magellan. And you can get it at like Walmart. I'm pretty sure you can get that brand in other places. They also have another brand. I can't think of what it is, but it is really good as well. All of these are really good in my opinion. I don't think you need to spend the money on a Yeti. I think you're just buying the brand when you spend the money on a Yeti. But they are good and they do have nice ones. But if you want to save a little bit of money, I'm telling you that these brands work just as well. But this one is my husband's. He uses it all the time. It will keep drinks hot or cold. So like my husband will put water in this, sweet tea, or coffee, and then he can take it. It fits right in the coaster in his truck or in our car. And then this one is by Yeti. I don't know if other brands make these. I'm sure that they do. This was actually a gift and it is a really nice gift. So this is for like a beer can. You can put like a soda can in there if you want, but I think they're actually made for beer. And I think there might even be like a top that goes on this, but basically you just stick your beer can down in there and then it keeps it cold, and then it also keeps your hand from getting cold, I guess. But this is really nice. My husband likes to use this if he does get a beer can. He likes to put it in his Yeti thing. So any type of Yeti type thermos or any type of like drink holder that keeps the drinks hot or cold is a great gift idea that pretty much any man would enjoy. Alright, so my next gift idea is something like an iTunes gift card. So if they have an iPhone or even an iPod, you could get them an iTunes gift card. They can buy apps with that, but they can buy music if they like to work out or just listen to music in general. Then that would be a nice gift. And then if they don't have iPhone and they have Android or whatever, I think you could buy like Google Play cards or something like that. But any type of gift card that allows them to download apps or music to their phone is a nice gift idea for men. The next gift idea is some type of a basic toolkit. So this would be good for a man that maybe is just getting started in life, so like a young man or something like that, or maybe you're newlyweds and your husband hasn't accumulated a lot of tools. You could go ahead and get him started with a nice tool set. They have tons of nice ones at places like Lowe's and Home Depot, and if you do decide to go in the store, you can always ask one of the workers there to help you and like recommend which one they think would be best. But there are some on Amazon, and I will try and link the one that I think is the best from Amazon. I will try to link that in the description box for you so you can take a look. But just getting him like the basic things that he might need for around the house. So like if he's just starting out, that type of thing, then I think like a toolkit would be a perfect gift idea. So the next gift idea is some type of power bank for his phone. They have all types of these, and I will try and link one for you in the description box again. But basically you just charge this up and then you can take it with you on the go. He can leave it in the car if he wants or put it in his backpack, whatever. But that way if he's out and about and his phone starts to die, he can use his power bank to charge it back up. This is something pretty much anyone could use and appreciate, so I wanted to include it. Alright, so the next gift idea is some type of fleece. I like the Columbia ones for my husband, and I'm showing you, this is one of his. This is one of my husband's. He has several. He uses these all through the fall and winter. He really likes them because they're not really thick and heavy, so they're not really hot. And they have all colors, and this one's like a two-tone, which I really like. This is my favorite one that he owns, but I did just get him an olive green one as well. But this is a great gift idea for any man in your life. You can get them at places like Dick's, Bass Pro Shop. There are all sorts of places that carry Columbia. You can even find them online. But I think it is a really nice gift idea. They kind of are a neutral style. Is that even a thing? But I feel like no matter what the man's style is, a Columbia fleece jacket would match his style. Does that make sense? But I think it's a really nice gift. So my next gift idea is to get him some type of really nice phone case. So whatever kind of phone he has, you'll need to figure that out. And then you can purchase him something like an OtterBox. You can get, if you think he might like a loopy case, which is what I have. Now mine's really girly, but I'm going to show it to you. Mine is floral, but it has the loop here. So it's just really convenient, like for carrying around and stuff and not dropping your phone. They have men designs on loopy as well as women's, but they have otter boxes. You can go on Amazon and find all different types of phone cases. I actually am going to be getting my husband a phone case for Christmas, so that is a good gift idea. Everybody can use that. If you wanted to be really fun, you could find something that's unique to whatever man you're purchasing it for, or if your husband is like mine and he's pretty much just a basic man, he doesn't like anything extra special, he doesn't want words or designs or anything, so I would probably just end up getting him like a basic black one, but it is something that I know he will enjoy, he can use, and he will appreciate. Alright, and the next gift idea is a pair of Bluetooth earphones. So these are my husband's. I brought them here to show you. Basically, I mean, you probably know what they are, but just in case you don't, they're just, you remember old-fashioned earphones that you used to plug into your phone? Well, those are going out of style now, and these are where it's at. These are really nice. He uses them at the gym almost every day. I'm actually surprised that they are at the house today, but I thought it was perfect because I wanted to show you. So you just charge them up, and I think they do hold a pretty good charge. At least mine do, because I have a pair as well, and I can charge them and they will last several times. But basically, you just put them in here. You don't have to plug them into your phone or anything. They're all by Bluetooth. You can answer phone calls from them and stuff. They're a really nice thing to have, and I'm sure any man that you're shopping for would appreciate something like this if he doesn't already have them. Okay, so if you have a man in your life, this is mostly for if you're in a relationship, so your boyfriend, your fiance, your husband. I guess you could probably even get this for like your dad if you wanted to like spice up your mom and dad's marriage or something like that. But it is the 5 love languages for men. I love that book series. They have the women's and the men's. They're pretty much the same thing. The men's is just more like the design on the cover is more manly, but it is a really good book. It is a very easy read. If he doesn't like to read, he probably would still be able to get through this pretty easily, but if he does enjoy reading, I know he would love this book. It is great advice for any relationship, and I really love, it's like my #1 recommended book. When anyone asks, do you have any books you recommend? I recommend The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman, because I really strongly believe in his theory that everyone has one of 5 different love languages. And for me, the book has been completely life-changing. So if you have somebody in your life who does enjoy reading, then I recommend that book. Last but not least is a Bluetooth speaker. So they have all sorts of like rugged type ones that you can get for your husband, boyfriend, father, whomever you're buying it for. So if they like would use it on their job site, you can get more rugged ones. You can get ones that are small, big. They have all kinds of Bluetooth speakers, but I think it's a really nice gift for a guy because he can just, if he's like, my husband is always out in the garage, so he likes to listen to music when he's out there, so he can have his Bluetooth speaker out there, hook his phone up to it and listen to whatever music he wants. He also goes out on his boat. He can bring the Bluetooth speaker out there and listen to music while he's out there. They just have so many uses, so it's definitely a great gift idea for that man in your life. Alright guys, that was my gift ideas. So just remember when you're shopping for men that most men want things that they can use. They're a little different than women. We like things that we don't necessarily need, and maybe this doesn't go for all men, but I know at least for my husband, he likes gifts that he can use. So if it pertains to something that is his hobby or his job or just something he can use in everyday life, then that's what he wants. So just keep that in mind when you're shopping for that man. If you get stuck, think about what his hobbies are, think about what he does for a job, and think about things that he can actually use, and then try to go with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you are new, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good